This is one half of my living space, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to add warmth and coziness while also bringing a touch of nature into your home. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Hey guys, good morning. So this is me quickly. So this is a coffee table. So this is a little deco there that I created myself. I absolutely love this healing stone, which was kindly given to me by one of my amazing friends. It's natural and it diffuses calmness as well. A lot of times I burn this too. I just wanted to share this with you today. So that's one way I love to add that warmth and coziness, especially burning candles. Please, if you're burning candles in your home, don't forget to use a candle holder and place it on a flat surface, okay? Especially if you have children. We have this end table just by the sofa. So I have this natural plant here, which has a touch of red going on around on the ground floor in our home. Majority of the space has a touch of red. As you see the lamp is so pretty. Let me see if I can turn it off. Maybe it's going to make a lot of difference. See, that is what the lamp looks like. It has a lovely satin red. And the bottom looks like the body of a scaly fish. And that is the base right there. It's really nice. My son always pops his thing for playing his guitar there. So once he's sitting on the couch, he's playing, he just grabs it. So I have this lovely beer, golden beer. I have a diffuser there. I have a photo frame there, and I have a natural plant there. So natural plants, candle, they are just two of the ways to add coziness and warmth to your home. And most importantly, the natural plant makes your home airy. It makes you have a touch of nature, and it's so pretty. I love it. That is another way to add nice warmth and a diffusion of lovely fragrance to your home. I love using candle, and my favorite is Yankee candle. My favorite one to burn is black cherry, but I'm currently burning this one that is called fig and clove. It smells nice, and I love this simple candle holder here. It's an old school one, so I have this candle right here upstairs. That is another orchid. I love this one on this gorgeous console that I have in my dining area. Is so beautiful, the console. It has a matching mirror on the top. Pieces like this actually makes your home very elegant, lush. I love this plant here. It's really nice. It's beautiful. It adds that touch of nature, and it makes your home airy, and it makes your home smell fresh. So if you can place plants all around the house, so this one I leave permanently there. And just like the one at the entrance, I have three of these pots. Let me get the other one. Second pot, the other one is at the entrance. Remember I showed you two of those pots right there. That is the third one just by the entrance. Still want that touch of nature without using natural plants. See, I got this so many years ago from Next, and I always put in this glass here. I will not put these two there. I will put just one there. Look at that. Okay, so rather than put the two of them there, just put one right there. One is just perfect, one is enough. I love natural plants. It has that elegance and the touch of nature. It brings life into your home. That's how it is. Okay, all right. And those are some of the ways that I love to add a little bit of warmth and coziness to my home, obviously with some throws, with some pillows, and with a lot of other accessories. Just tie in everything together, not excessively, not over the top, but just doing what is best for your own home. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to share what you want to see. This one actually was inspired by the Lux Babe. I saw her creating a lovely, beautiful plant for our garden. I thought I'll share how I use plants in the home. Not I necessarily don't plant them, but I do use them to accessorize the home and just to bring that touch of nature and hairiness actually into the house. I will talk to you soon on my next video. Bye.